What is like ESG? Because I think ESG is getting some steam. Let's kind of just define what the heck we're talking about.
Yeah, I think that's right, Joe, because this has been called a lot of different things. ESG is kind of the term, the initials that have sort of stuck, I guess, if you will. It stands for environment, social, and governance. So why don't we start with environment? These would be companies that are trying to help or reduce the climate change. So these are companies that are all trying to act responsibly.
I mean, your environment looks a lot better than my environment as we speak here.
It's very nice. It's lovely here in Hawaii.
Speaking of social distancing, another part of ESG is social. So this is looking at work environment, employee relations, diversity, things of that nature. And then finally is governance. So when you look at governance, it's, what's going on with the overall executive pay. It's kind of the big Wall Street people, the decisions of the big corporate governance to make sure that it's in line with what your overall values are. So as you can see, with ESG, it gets fairly deep into several different aspects of kind of our social environment. And so some people, when you look at investing in these types of funds, you might really agree with one side, but don't agree with the other. And so this is where we get into some unique fund creation, where they're really taking this to a minute level. Go to yourmoneyyourwealth.com and click on our special offer. It's pursuing a better investment experience.